I found a secret in this game that is called You Can't Leave This Game. So, if you come here in this maze, you suddenly found sad bacon? Huh? I'm confused. But there's much more. Not. So it's so hard to get in this maze. So I didn't know that, guys. I'm just using this hack. I'm not a real Among Us maze. Just okay. We're gonna go here. So guys, we're gonna try leave. If we don't leave, that means we're trapped here forever. Because this game is called You Can't Leave. So, what about if I leave? Okay, I'm using my phone. Okay, what's happening? I'm lagging. Okay, that's don't worry, guys. Oh my god. Wait, do I leave? Did I leave again? That is my family working. Because we're on the work day. Oh my god. I respond. Oh my god, I come back. It's really I cannot leave. What the? Okay guys, we need to calm down. I don't want to die. I want to leave this game, but I could not leave. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my... Yeah guys, 100% you cannot leave this game. Please like and subscribe so can leave. Okay guys, we have to get out here. To see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.